Jim Hefley grew up in Little Rock, where both his parents were school teachers. He went to high school at Little Rock Central High, where he says he learned that there were people smarter than he was and decided that meant he just had to work harder. In college, he worked hard at both school and campus activities. Jim served as president of Sigma Alpha Epsilon and Theta Tau, as well as being president of the Engineering Council, president of the Blue Key University Honor Society, editor of the Arkansas Engineer magazine, and a member of Tau Beta Pi. In his senior design course, he was project partners with John White, the future chancellor of the university. Jim worked for IBM in the summers during school. When he graduated and joined the Army, he asked to be assigned to the Data Processing Center. In this position, he gained management experience as well as acquiring skills in the brand new field of computer science. Jim started working full-time at IBM in 1962 and stayed with that company for 19 years. One of his first assignments was for the University of Arkansas. Jim designed and wrote all the software for a new computer-based registration program. That fall, the U of A used his program to register over 4,000 students. In 1981, Jim decided to change careers. He moved to Houston to help build a management consulting company focused on business issues. The company, Gemini Consulting, started out with about 50 employees and grew to 3,000 in 19 years. For 8 years, Gemini Consulting was the fastest-growing consulting firm in the United States. Jim met his wife, Marie, during this time. In 1991, Gemini's board asked Jim to move to London for a year to help jumpstart the company's expansion into Europe. Jim and Marie spent many weekends traveling in Great Britain and the European continent. He even got a chance to explore his family's roots in the tiny Scottish village of Oakenheath. For the next 5 years, Jim spent 1 week a month in Europe, helping integrate Gemini's European consulting business and expand their offices in England, France, Germany, Spain, and Italy. In 2000, Jim and Marie retired to their dream home in Asheville, North Carolina. After retiring, Jim enjoyed trout fishing, traveling, and playing golf. He and John White teamed up once more, winning the member guest golf tournament at Jim's club in Asheville. With a little more time on his hands, Jim decided to pursue a hobby he'd always been interested in: art. He began taking classes and discovered he really enjoyed painting. Jim has been painting professionally for about 7 years now. He is represented by 4 fine arts galleries, and he participates in many regional art shows. His subjects are the things he loves: the North Carolina mountain vistas, waterfalls, and trout streams, as well as scenes from his travels abroad. Jim also does oil painting commissions and enjoys capturing special memories for his clients, including this family farm. As a way of giving back, Jim and Marie donate 100% of the proceeds from his art sales. They support 3 nonprofit organizations: Trout Unlimited, Hope Chest for Women, and Casting for Recovery. Jim has 2 daughters from a previous marriage and 1 grandson. He and Marie just celebrated their 30th wedding anniversary. Jim Hefley, in recognition of your outstanding contributions to the College of Engineering, the University of Arkansas, and to society as a whole, the College of Engineering bestows upon you our highest honor, the Hall of Fame Award for 2015.